So what's the meaning of RPM on TikTok? If you're in the creators reward program or you intend to get into the creator rewards program, then you should have a better idea of what RPM means on TikTok. So that's what I'll be explaining in this video. So now let's get started. So RPM has various meaning in various fields. For example, in cars, RPM actually stands for revolution per minute, which is how long the crankshaft in your engine spins in a particular minute. So the higher you rev, the higher it spins and the more it consumes fuel. But that's not what we're going to talk about. But when it comes to content creation, revenue earning in any ads network, be it video, on blogs, is actually the same. So now coming down to TikTok, the meaning of RPM, like I said in all ad networks, it simply means revenue per mile, which is how much revenue you intend to earn as a creator in each 1,000 views. It's the same in YouTube, but the good part about YouTube is that it has higher RPM than TikTok. But let's see, since TikTok has switched from the from the beta program to the creator rewards program fully, let's see if the RPM is going to increase. So RPM in TikTok simply means revenue per mile, which actually means how much you're going to earn in 1,000 views. Now the RPM of each creator differs. This is simply because we are in different niche. We create videos that are in different niches. So like most people have put up videos on TikTok or even on YouTube, declaring the niches that has the higher RPM, such as AI related content and technology related content, gaming, and the likes. But what you should know is that the type of content you put up as a creator on TikTok will determine how much you'll be earning in every 1,000 views. And note, the 1,000 views doesn't necessarily mean that once you have 1,000 views, that's what you earn, but it's eligible views, which means, for example, in a particular week or a day, if you have up to 1 million views, and at the end you notice that maybe it's only 4,000 views that is eligible. So they have a criteria or a metrics where they use to actually determine the views that are eligible. So it's left for TikTok, it's left for all content creation platforms that determine how their RPM works. So now, like I said, if you want to go into the higher RPM niches, you can switch if that will make you to earn lots of money. So if you intend to go into the creator rewards program, because the beta program is no longer there, if you check if you go through your creator tools, you see that what you see right now is a creator rewards program. So that's what RPM stands for, how much you're earning in 1,000 views. And most people RPM on TikTok are less than $1. Yes, they're actually less than $1. I've seen some people that have an RPM of 50 cents, which means that out of 1,000 eligible views, they're going to earn 50 cents. And there's some people that have an RPM of $1, and there's some certain people that also have an RPM of $2. So it depends on the type of video you create, the type of content you create and upload on TikTok. So that's what would determine how your RPM is. So stop asking what's the meaning of RPM. It actually means revenue per mile, which is revenue, how much you're going to earn in 1,000 eligible views. So now, once you've known, now you've known the meaning, go ahead and create content. You can also conduct further research to determine the type of niche that has an higher RPM. And if you have knowledge in such a niche, you can easily go and start creating videos related to that niche, under that niche, and see if it will boost your RPM actually. And one thing you should also notice, creating longer videos. Then another thing that determines your RPM is where your viewers are coming from. For example, if your viewers are coming from the first world countries such as the US, UK, Canada, Luxembourg, and the rest, then you intend to have a higher RPM, because the ads that are going to be served to them is quite different from those that are coming. That's if you have an audience from third world countries, just like most African countries and some Asian countries. So you should try to create content that will serve purpose for people in the first world country if you want to boost your RPM. That's one secret. And also go into niche that has higher RPM. So now you know you should get started and do the right thing. That's all I have to say. Now, if you find this video interesting, you can simply give it a share. And also follow me for more tutorial videos just like this on TikTok concerning how you're going to earn revenue on TikTok. So just follow me, comment, and also share this video. Go to the comment section, ask your questions, then I will see and attend to them speedily immediately I get the notification. So that's all about RPM. That's what RPM means. Revenue per mile.